In this video today, I want to show you how you can make money just like this every single day. I'm going to show you a strategy step by step of something that I've done multiple times to make money online, and I want you to do it in 2020. So if you don't want to miss out on this video, make sure that you watch it to the end because I'm going to have huge bonuses for you that you can get absolutely for free. So if this is the first time you've come to my channel, smash that subscribe button and the bell identification icon because I post every single day, and that way you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. That being said, let's get straight into it and let's make some of that money online. Guys, for those of you that don't know as well, I have started a brand new channel called Smart Video Tactics. Check it out. First link in the description. If you want to know and you're looking to grow on YouTube in 2020, then check out this channel. So the first thing that we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go over to a site called clickbank.com. Now, for those of you that don't know what ClickBank is, it's one of the world's largest digital marketplaces where you can go to get free products to promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, with that being said, this strategy will work with any affiliate program. You can use Affiliate Pay, you can use OfferVault, you can use any CPA marketing network out there. And I'm just putting that out there. But if you've got access to ClickBank, then I'd highly recommend that you go and check this out. If you can't get access to ClickBank, I suggest that you contact their support team. Okay, go to clickbank.com, go to their support team and contact them to get access, because I've heard that that's working for a lot of people. So for those of you that obviously have access to ClickBank, as you know, you come over to here and you've got all these different categories, guys. You come down here and you check out and you choose which category you want to go in. Now, I want you to make sure that you pay close attention to the end of this video because I'm going to show you something step by step which I haven't done before, and the bonus will be at the end of this video where I'm going to give you all this for free. So let's say that we were looking to start off and we want to get into the health and fitness niche because we know that it's massive and there's a huge amount of opportunity for you to make money online 2020 in the health and fitness niche. It's not saturated. There are people looking to lose weight all the time and you can help them with it. So what you want to do is you come over to here, you click onto health and fitness. It's going to take you straight over to the health and fitness niche. Now, what you want to do, you've got a couple of options. First one over here is you can leave it on popularity and have a look at and see what products are popular. What I personally like to do is I come over to here and I click onto gravity and I like to see which products are converting online. And then when you scroll down here, you can see that there are all these different types of products that are converting. And I've had success with a lot of these, but the one that I want to show you today is going to be massive because a lot of people are jumping on this bandwagon of the keto diet. And I want to show you this one over here. It's called the keto diet, okay? And as you can see here, the average sale is $38. But the reason I like these keto diets is because they have rebills, okay? So if somebody signs up and they're getting these meals, diet plans, shakes, whatever it might be, then they subscribe to them and they get reoccurring commissions because they keep buying these different types of meal plans, foods, whatever it might be, bars, etc. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come over to here and you want to click onto this product so we can have a quick look at it. Once you click onto it, it's going to bring you over to here. Now, as you can see, there is a video. Obviously, we can't watch this video, but what you can do, if you click over to here where it says prefer to read, you can click onto prefer to read, and that's going to give you all the details of this product. And we're going to use some of these details to create this strategy, okay, guys, so that you can make money online utilizing this. So what you want to do is you want to come back over to here and you want to click on to promote, okay? And once you click on to promote, it's going to generate a hop link for you that you're going to need, okay? So just click on to generate hop link. All right, so we're going to leave that there and we're going to copy that because we're going to need that hop link in later on in the step-by-step process that I'm going to show you of how you're going to do this. So that's the product. That's what we're going to be using, guys. It's a fantastic product and you can make money online with this. So I'm going to show you very, very shortly how you're going to promote this. So pay close attention, okay, guys. Now, we know that finding free traffic is not easy, but I'm going to show you a strategy that's working really, really well for a lot of people online at the moment, and they're seeing success with it and they're making money online. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The first thing that I want to show you over here is I want to show you this is called the keto diet plan notes. These are my notes, okay, that I've used something very, very similar in the past, and I'm going to show you proof of others doing it, okay, so that you don't think that I've gone out and created a post just for this video. I want to show you other people using it and how they're doing it. And they're using a lot of these different types of emojis and stuff like that, which makes this sort of stand out. Okay, so when you see this up there, you want to immediately look at it. It catches the eye. And what this basically says is, hey everyone, if you're looking to get fit in the new year, I just came across this new amazing custom keto diet plan that thousands are having success with. If you want the diet plan, just message me below, send me the diet plan, and I'll send you all the access details. Now, one thing that you want to do if you want to make these different posts stand out, I'm going to show you exactly what a post is, so pay close attention, is you come back over to ClickBank, okay? And as you can see here, there are all these different types of photos that you can use. You can copy this photo, you can copy this photo, you can match the photos up, it's up to you. But what you can do, if you scroll down here, what I like to use is I like to use the before and after photos, because that really catches the eye and shows people how effective a particular product is. Okay, so you come down here, and as you can see, there are a ton of different types of before and after photos, and all you need to do is you quite simply need to use the snipping tool. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you hit your Windows key and you click onto S, it's going to bring up this section over here, and all you need to do is click onto the snipping tool. So once you click onto that, it's going to bring up this little pop-up over here. So you just click onto new, and then what you do, you can just snip out any one of these different before and after pictures. We'll just go for this one over here. All right, so let's just take that. Let's minimize that, and then we can come over to our post over here. Now you can put the post on top, you can put the post underneath. It's absolutely up to you. And then that's going to sit there. Okay, so this is the post that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to use this. And these are so effective, okay, guys, especially these types of comments, okay, they have all these little emojis, okay. A lot of people are doing it, and a lot of people are making good money online with this, okay. So this is the first step of how you're going to create their attention. But then what's going to happen is people are going to write back to you, and then they're going to say to you that they literally want that product. They want to know how that works, and they want to know how they can get their hands on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to show you where we're going to start posting these links, okay? So an easy way to do that, if you come back over to your Google Docs, okay? And once you're on this page, what we want to do is we want to create that link so they can click onto it. But not only that, we want to give them some information on there prior to them clicking on it. It's going to entice them to click onto that link. So the first thing that you want to do is quite simply just come over to here and just put, okay? And then what you do quite simply is you want to put a link in here, okay? So this is where we're going to put our ClickBank promo link, okay? So I'm just going to bring that up now, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to do that. So this was the hop link that we got for that particular offer. So you just click on to copy that. We're going to minimize that, and we're going to go over to here. We're going to find this little link over here, and we're going to paste that in here, okay, guys? And we're going to hit apply. Now, anybody that clicks onto this link over here, it's going to take them straight to that ClickBank offer. And when people click onto that offer, then you're going to make money online, okay? That's how this works. But don't just put up this link. What you want to do is you want to put up a bit of information about how this works. Now you can have the link there. Then what you can do is you can put up a bit of information over here about the product. Then what you can do, again, let's just copy this entire link, okay? And let's just paste that link over here again. Let's just come down here, and I'll just show you how we're going to do that, okay? So we're going to have the link in there, and we're going to put some information in here. And what you want to do is you want to come back over to this particular offer, okay? And what you want to do is you can find some information on here. Obviously, we're not going to do it right now, but what you can do is you can go and get a bit of information to put in there so that people will click onto it. And there's obviously 5 healthy tips over here as to why this particular product is great. So let's say if we were to copy a few of these, okay? So you come down here, what's 0.5? Let's have a look at this, okay? It's healthy and safe. So you come down here and you copy all of this, okay? So let's just copy that, okay? And you come back over to here, and we're going to paste that in there. All right, and we're going to minimize this, okay? But you'd obviously clean this up a little bit, make it look a little bit better, okay? And this is what people will receive once they get your this link over here. And I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to post this link. So what you want to do when somebody goes and replies back to this post and tells you that they want to obviously hear more about this and they want to know what this product is and how they can lose weight, then you're going to send them this. And the way you're going to send them this, if you come over to here and you click on to share, okay? Once you click on to share, what you want to do is you want to say over here, it says that anyone can view this, okay? And then over here, what you can do is you can click on to get shareable links. So that's a shareable link, okay? you can copy that link because that's what we're going to use, and you're going to click onto done. But make sure that you use it anyone with the link can view, okay? And then you go to click onto done. Now, this is a very, very effective way for you to make money online. I'm going to show you exactly why these posts do really, really well. Now, I just promised you at the start of the video that I'm going to show you exactly how these work and why people are crushing it, okay, guys? But before I do that, at the start of the video, guys, I promised you a huge bonus. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a shareable link. I'm going to paste it in the description of this video, okay, guys? So you'll be able to click onto it and get a sample of this so you know exactly what I'm talking about, and you have the ability to do this straight away, okay, guys? So I'm going to post all this in a shareable link that you can click onto it, get onto my Google Docs, and you will have access to this, okay, guys? If you're enjoying this video, guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon, because you guys know I bring value to you guys, or at least try to bring as much value as I can every single day. So smash that like button and stay tuned for my next few videos, which are going to be massive, especially going into 2020. So make sure that you've subscribed and hit that bell identification icon, and that way you miss out on none of the good stuff. So let me quickly show you how you're going to do this exactly, okay? And the method that we're going to be using today is Facebook, okay? And the reason why I'm saying Facebook is I'm going to show you exactly how to do this effectively. I want you to check this out, guys. I'm a member of a group called Affiliate Marketing Worldwide. And I'm going to show you how to do this strategy like I've seen some of these other guys do, which is so effective, and they're making an absolute killing with this strategy. So I want to show you how this guy here, his name's Saji McClure, and this guy here, his name is Eric Kaji. Look at their post, guys. Check out this post, and they've potentially got a video or a photo sometimes. Look at this post over here. A lot of emojis. Look at the engagement. 203 comments, 395 comments. Come down here, 707 comments. Now, the reason why they're getting a lot of comments is because look at the type of comment they're putting on here. Look at this post, okay? And then what they're telling people is they're telling people to like the comment. They're also telling people to engage in a conversation. So people need to reply back to them in order to get more information. And when you do that and your post has a lot of engagement, it's always going to rank on top of that group. So what you want to do with the keto diet, for example, is you want to come over to Facebook and you want to sign up to all these different types of keto type groups. Okay, let me just go back over here. And when you do that, okay, once you sign up to a whole bunch, look at this. So I'm joined to a few of them because I just am. You know, keto is good, and it's good to get some posts and get some information about it sometimes. But when you come down here, okay, you can obviously go and have a look. And what you want to look for, the key is you want to look at this. This post over here, or this group over here, has 570 posts a day. This one has 40 posts a day, 50 posts a day, and then you just scroll down more and more and more, okay? And you can join these different types of groups, and they literally have hundreds and thousands of members on there every single day. And all you need to do is you're not putting any link at first. All you're doing is putting up a post like this with a comment and asking them to direct a message you, to DM you if they're interested. Once they're interested, then you're going to send them this shareable link, which they're going to get access. They're going to receive this. So the second time what you do is you quite simply post that shareable link that you get. Once they click onto it, they're going to get this page over here, okay, guys? So it's just one simple link that you're going to send them so they can get this with a whole heap of information so that you don't need to spam Facebook with a whole heap of stuff, okay? And that way other people don't see it, and you continue to get more and more engagement. If people are interested, every time they click onto these different posts, you make money online, okay? And you can find a lot of good keto or any type of niche groups on Facebook, okay? This strategy works. These guys are absolutely crushing it over here. Let me just go to it. Where are we? Facebook. They're absolutely crushing it, okay? You don't get 707 comments and endless amount of engagement if you're not making money online and you're not continuing to do this over and over again with affiliate marketing and making a lot of money. Whereas these guys are doing this constantly, doing a great job, and they're making money online, okay, guys? So this is all you basically need to do is come over to here, choose a niche, join these different groups, okay? Start posting those different types of links in there. So if you were to come over to here, let me just show you this. If you were to come over to here and you were to quite simply copy this, come over to here and click on to copy, all you need to do is come over to any one of these different types of groups and you could paste that in there. It's as simple as that, okay? All you need to do is join all these different types of groups and you can start to make money online. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed my video today, guys, make sure that you smash that like button. Obviously, comment. Let me know if you're going to try this video or what type of niche that you might be looking at getting started in. And also let me know where you're from. Okay, say hello if you're a new subscriber. Tell me you've subscribed. I reply to all my subscribers, guys, and I love to engage with you. If there's any questions that you have, feel free to ask at any time, guys. I'm going to have a couple of videos that are going to pop up here of different ways for you to make money online. So make sure that you check those out after you subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Until tomorrow, I'm Alan from Smart Money Tactics. Hope you enjoyed this strategy, guys. You stay safe and goodbye.